And the strike is causing a ripple effect for many people in the disabled community. And 23 ABC's Mark Christian joins us now live to tell us how the lack of service is impacting several organizations. Mark?
Well, Jackie, the strike has been devastating for those whose main source of transportation is the bus. And many organizations who deal with the disabled community, as well as Goodwill Industries, say they've been hit pretty hard.
Bus strike is devastating to BART clients.
BART continues to provide job training, employment, and supportive services to people in Kern County who are intellectually and developmentally disabled. And public transportation is a key element to their success.
If you have a disability and your freedom depends on being at that bus stop waiting for that Get bus to pick you up, it's critically important.
They have 33 clients who are solely dependent on public transportation to get to and from their jobs and the organization. BART officials began working on a contingency plan last week after news of the strike was imminent. The plan included facilitating staff picking up clients.
Transportation is no small issue. Get has a big job. Those drivers have big jobs. But this strike is devastating to our community.
Administrators at New Advances for People with Disabilities say mobility is extremely important for all people with disabilities.
This is their primary source of transportation. With this shutdown, they have no way and no freedom. They're pretty much locked in their houses.
People like Richard Rodriguez is just trying to make his way. Rodriguez, who has cerebral palsy, has to communicate through an interpreter.
Obviously, without transportation, you don't have access. You don't have access either to your job or to whatever other resources that you usually need on a daily basis.
And the strike equally affects Goodwill Industries. They have over 200 employees locally, and 23% of them solely depend on public transportation.
It's going to impact our ability to get our employees to and from work. So just having them be able to get a paycheck, which is, part and parcel of our mission, is to put people to work.
Now, all those organizations say if the strike lasts a couple of days, they can weather the storm. But if it drags on, it could present significant hardships. Back to you.